Hey techies! Welcome back to Tech Concept Stock. Today, we're diving headfirst into the ongoing writers' strike in Hollywood. This strike highlights a growing concern among actors and writers. They worry that AI could replace creative professionals and exploit their work without consent or compensation. But is this really the future they fear? The ongoing writers' strike has brought the impact of AI on creative professions to the forefront. The Writers Guild of America and SAG-AFTRA have joined forces, demanding AI regulations to protect writers and actors. Fran Drescher, the president of SAG-AFTRA, warns that AI poses an existential threat to creative professions. This threat puts actors and performers at risk of being replaced by machines. SAG-AFTRA has joined the Writers Guild of America, which represents Hollywood screenwriters, in demanding a contract that explicitly demands AI regulations to protect writers and the works they create. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT have become increasingly effective in generating images and text that mimic human creativity. However, they still lack the full potential to replace human writers or actors. Despite their capabilities, AI-generated content frequently falls short when it comes to creativity and originality. These systems often struggle with basic facts and produce writing that appears to be derivative. Artificial intelligence tools that mimic humans have in recent years become far more effective in creating images and text, and more common. Technology that replicates individuals' faces and voices is becoming more prominent in Hollywood. Chatbots like ChatGPT, which can convincingly reproduce human writing, have surged in popularity since late last year. But they also have clear shortcomings. The bots can't be creative in its own nature. ChatGPT's reliance on the lowest common denominator method hampers its creativity and effectiveness in engaging audiences. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content like this. The fears among creative professionals extend beyond AI-generated content. Duncan Crabtree Ireland, SAG-AFTRA's chief negotiator, claimed that the studio's proposal for AI rules exploited actors without speaking roles. They proposed that our background performers should be able to be scanned, get paid for one day's pay, and their company should own that scan, their image, their likeness, and should be able to use it for the rest of eternity in any project they want, with no consent and no compensation. The Writers Guild of America's demands for AI regulations aim to prevent AI-generated scripts from being used as source material and protect writers' ownership rights. The impact of AI on creative professions has sparked a rebellion against AI exploitation. Actors, writers, and digital content creators are asserting their rights and demanding protections. AI image generators are facing lawsuits for training on copyrighted material without proper consent. Additionally, open letters are urging restrictions on AI-generated art and editorial operations. Other entertainers have tried alternate ways to counter AI. Comedian Sarah Silverman and two authors filed copyright infringement lawsuits against OpenAI and Meta. The ongoing struggle against AI encroachment is shaping the future of creative professions. Labor unions play a vital role in advocating for fair treatment and preventing the AI-driven erosion of creative control and earnings. The outcome of these fights will determine whether AI serves everyone fairly or exacerbates income inequality in the entertainment industry. Will any of this stop the rise of the bots? No. It doesn't even negate that AI could be useful in a lot of fields. However, it does show that people are paying attention, especially with prominent figures like Meryl Streep and Jennifer Lawrence discussing AI. And there you have it, techies! The ongoing strike by writers and actors and the role of AI are reshaping the future of the entertainment industry. What are your thoughts on the Hollywood strike? Do you think AI poses a threat or opportunity? Leave your comments below. As the battle continues, it is essential to strike a balance that protects the rights of creative professionals while leveraging AI's potential responsibly. The outcome will undoubtedly influence the path of future tech and its impact on the entertainment world. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, this is Tech Concept Stock, signing off.